Okay, welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. So today what we're going to do is going to do a classic Beurre Noisette or nut brown butter. So basically I have a non-stick pan, I have some butter, I have a little bit of lemon juice there that you can finish it at the end. So basically we put our knobs of butter in like that, and what we want to do is we want to cook out the milky solids that are in our butter until they turn nut brown. Okay, so this is just basically stage one. We want our butter to melt, we want to start to foam up. And like I said, to start to cook out the milky solids, and they are going to kind of roast and turn like a nutty brown, and that's what's going to give our butter its flavour. So stage one here, I'm going to get this on, melt my butter down, and once we start to cook it for a couple of minutes, it's going to take about 4 or 5 minutes here, I'll come back and I'll just show you stage two here in a second. So stage one. So stage two here, I've been cooking there for about 2 minutes here now. And we are starting to brown a little bit. Some of the sediment starting to cook and stick to the bottom there. And we're starting to get the colour starting to creep in, as in the particles there are starting to roast and cook out. I haven't got that nutty flavour just yet, but you want to kind of keep agitating it there the whole time. We're not too far away there. And I'll just stop there, and I'll just, to shorten this video there, I'll just show you the third stage there now in a second. Okay, so just welcome back to the final stage or third stage here, and I just have 3 glasses here just to kind of show you. So when my butter was finished there, all I did was I just took it off, I poured it into the glass there. What I also did was then is I took off the kind of scum that was on kind of the top. Okay, just like that, just remove that as well. What I also did then was I decanted my nut brown butter into a clean bowl, and I just kind of left the toasted sediment there at the end because I didn't really want there. That's what's going to give it its nutty flavour there, okay? And I didn't want that. I put a little bit of lemon juice into it just for a little bit of flavour, just to give it, heighten the flavour of it. And there we have this beautiful kind of amber liquid, okay, which is our nut brown butter there. Lovely toasted nutty flavour to it, great with fish dishes. It can be used for vinaigrettes and dressings and stuff like that as well, but generally with grilled fish dishes. So, very simple to make, a classic Beurre Noisette. If you like what I do, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, please post them and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. So, Pro Chef Academy, and we'll see you soon again.